Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
Hey everybody, I'm Dave.
And tonight we have adventurous friends coming over to celebrate the holidays. So we are going to cook the octopus. So we've never done it before. We have enjoyed octopus in various places.
Oh yeah.
Including Portugal, which is really where my obsession with octopus started. And well, we're gonna take you through our journey. We've gone over this for a few days, and I think that our plan now is simple and gonna be delicious. So let me turn the camera around and give you an up-close view. So a little bit of background information on this octopus. I bought it at Wegmans. It was about $25. It was frozen. When it finally thawed, which took 24 hours, we were planning to cook this, like, I don't know, 6 days ago. It was huge, like way bigger than I anticipated, you know. So I followed the internet's directions and simmered it. Actually, no. Once it thawed, I sprinkled salt on it in the container and it sat in the refrigerator overnight. And then I simmered it for an hour and a half and it shrunk a lot. So now I'll show them what it looks like. It's a much smaller,
Little tiny octopus now.
much more manageable. I took it out, I let it cool on its own. And then when I put it in this container to refrigerate, I added a whole lemon's worth of fresh juice. So now it's been a few days. We would have cooked it earlier, but the people we were having over for holidays weren't as adventurous.
They didn't want nothing to do with it.
They didn't want to eat the octopus with us, so that's fine. So we're eating it tonight. And we were going to try a bunch of different ways to cook it, but we've settled on grilling it because that is universally what the internet says to do.
Yeah.
So we are going to do that now. And we've learned some additional steps, like about cutting the head off. And David, you read about the herbs, which are really all Mediterranean herbs, which is kind of our wheelhouse, and olive oil.
Yep.
So I don't think this is going to be terribly difficult. And I'm really excited to share it with our friends who I think will give an honest reaction and enjoy being a part of this experiment.
Yeah, I mean, octopus is really good when it's cooked right. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope
It's
you cook
really
it
bad when it's cooked wrong.
Really,
And
really chewy.
I'll say that the only possibility of this being wrong is maybe I over simmered it, although I really don't think that that's possible. So the internet said, 4 minutes per side?
4 to 6 minutes
4
on
to
a hot
6
grill.
minutes on a hot grill.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the stage we're at, everybody.
Woo.
All right, we're gonna cut the head off and then take it outside. And is it cutting easily?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's a good sign that it's not overcooked. If it's not difficult to cut. Now, granted, you have a very sharp knife, but
Yes.
nevertheless. Okay.
One last one to go.
I mean, it's certainly not enough to feed a large group. So it's good that we have other things
That's right. I'm just going to cut the tentacles.
individually.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't smell like seafood, which is a good sign because I don't like that smell, and neither does David.
No.
So it's why we don't cook more seafood in general. I like getting it at restaurants.
All right.
Okay, look at that, everybody. So we're gonna season it.
Olive oil, salt, pepper, and oregano.
Okay, and let it sit for about a half an hour at room temperature.
Yep.
Okay. So first of all, I want to shout out to Donna for my awesome Christmas gift, which I'm using because it's raining. A beautiful umbrella. And then shout out to Preston, who gave me those solar lights that I have at the feed tank that I think look awesome. But the reason I'm outside in the rain is to continue our quest for cooking the octopi. And of course, because of my alpha gal, David has to cook the octopus first because he's also cooking steaks. But the grill would have to be re-cleaned if he did the steaks first. So that's why we're doing it in this order. All right, so let me turn the camera around so everybody can see what you're actually doing.
Okay.
'Cause I'm not an octopus and I don't have enough hands. Okay.
Okay. So I've got the octopus. It's all seasoned and got the olive oil on it. I've got my grill a little over 500 degrees, 525 degrees. I've already cleaned it, so I'm just gonna set them on there.
And we did let them sit at room temperature, seasoned for about a half an hour, per the internet's instructions. That's like legit raining.
Yeah, it is.
We waited all day for it.
I'll just pour the extra olive oil on there.
Okay,
Okay,
4 minutes.
4 minutes. That up was sticking.
I think that's a good sign. They get a little sticky. So,
Hanging on for dear life.
flipping. Oh my God, they look good.
That is a hot grill. Oh.
Yeah, you might next time need a spatula.
Alright, I'm going to paint on a little bit more of that olive oil seasoning. I think they're pretty close to being done.
Yeah.
We might just give them 2 or 3 minutes.
We're gonna have to eat one before everybody gets here,
Oh yeah.
so we can have the satisfaction. I think this experiment is going to be a positive one.
They look good.
They look good. They smell good. Hot diggity. Here's the moment.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh my God, it's so good.
We did it right.
Oh my God. I'm never gonna hesitate to buy an octopus now. Oh my God, you guys, it's so good. Good job on the grill.
You're welcome, Shug.
Success, everybody. Thanks for following our journey.